wonder how long they had him wait in there.
Maybe he's been waiting for maybe like an hour or more, who knows. Okay. Alright, so this is this, he's from Maine. Hopefully he have those jack tools. Hi, how you doing, sir? Hi, how you doing? My name is Josue. Nice to meet you. All right, so Josue.
I'm Jack.
Okay. All I need is, do you have the tool that goes in here to drop the tire? It's like a long.
Wherever they put it.
Okay, let's find out.
No idea.
Give me 1 second. What year is this vehicle?
It's a 14.
2014 Dodge Ram, right? Spare.
Wherever they put the tools, I don't know. I'm 78. I just can't do this shit.
It's fine. Don't worry. This is why I'm here for, to help you. Okay, the tool they should be here, right in this side. Okay, perfect. Ooh, that's pretty tight. Let me get out. Okay. I got all the tools. I just need that long stick that drops the tire. That's all. That's all I need. Hopefully I can do this.
I didn't put a tip on that card, but I'll give you cash.
Oh, thank you, perfect. I appreciate that.
That way they don't know, but you get the cash.
Thanks. I appreciate that. Okay.
You need something?
No. Okay.
I'm just too old. I can't do this anymore.
It's
You know, at 78, I can do a lot of driving, but I just can't do the physical shit.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna give you one of my business cards, just in case in the future you need any help. You call me directly, okay?
Okay?
Okay, why this thing is not going in here? Here we go. Beautiful. this is the best part of this tire change. When you got it down. Sometimes this system that holds the tire, it gets so rusty because of the snow and the salt.
You mean in Maine there's snow?
Yeah. Alright. Okay. How is this? Let's see.
Not your first rodeo, is it?
What was that again?
So it's not your first rodeo.
No, this is not.
Before I forget, Chris called apparently from your office.
What was that?
Before I forget, Chris called. I guess he was from your office.
Yep.
He said to remind you to take a picture.
Yep. Yeah, this little company, I'm the owner of it, but that's like a third-party company that contract me. So you call somebody, and that person calls me to do the job. Yeah.
So that's good, huh?
It is.
But if I had your business card,
Yep.
I'd call you direct.
Exactly. I charge you cheaper.
More
And
expensive as hell.
I know, don't tell me about it. I know you must to pay at least $300.
Yeah. $2.99 plus something or other service fee.
Yeah.
I think it's like $3.
I would have charged you $120, $150. Well, I would have charged you $150 because of the tires on the bottom. If you would have had to spare right on the back, I would have just $120.
So let me ask. You got the air compressor?
I got everything in there.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you in a minute.
It's probably going to need. I have no idea when that tire. It was down, but
Yeah.
it was taken down maybe a year and a half ago.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good then. That you have a check in there. You had a check, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
But it was a while ago.
At least it's good, you know. People have it there for an eternity and they don't even check it. Okay, let's leave this here for now. Let's go check on the air pressure.
I want 43 in it.
43 in it.
43.
You got it, sir.
The rest of my tires got 52. I'd like to know what made that other one come.
Oh, okay, so you know what? I gotta put my compressors to charge.
Hi. You're the boss, I
Oh yeah.
can tell. Behind every guy there's a boss. I'll try it.
Every guy has to be confirmed, right?
She is the boss. I do the hard job.
Got the tire out?
Yep, I got it out. Let me lift the vehicle.
I don't know why that one. It's only flat on the bottom.
What was that?
It's only flat on the bottom.
That was a good joke, man. Let me see if I can do it right there so you don't have to move the vehicle. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I can do it.
I'm headed from Maine to Bristol, Tennessee.
Ooh. All right, so let me get my impact gun. This must be. Yep, that's right. Where you from? You from Maine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And Skowhegan. Just above Waterville.
Oh. It's cold in the winter, right?
Yeah, we haven't had any real winters lately,
Oh, okay.
but we're overdue. They say this year's snowy and cold.
Oh, this year?
That's what they say.
Whew.
They don't know.
Yeah,
They can't tell you what's going to be tomorrow.
for real. Now they say there is a storm's coming this weekend. You heard about?
Yeah, that hurricane.
What do you think?
I don't think we're going to get any winds. I think we're going to get.
Mostly rain, right?
Yeah.
That's what I think too. All right, let's see what's going on with this tire. Oh, big hole. Maybe you hit like a piece of metal or something, the construction. Look right here.
You can't plug it, can you?
Not that big. Let me see. Right here. I probably could, but I gotta check how big is the damage.
You know, if we could plug it,
Let me
I'd
check.
still put the other one on.
Let me see.
But
Just have it just in case, right? Be careful over there. I do. Did you drive it for a while like this or no?
no, just before the exit, I heard the pop, and then my gauges said the tire pressure's going down. So it's probably a mile. So I hit the exit as soon as I could.
Okay. Yeah, I'm afraid that if you plug it's not gonna hold. Let's see. Yeah, it's too big. Ah, yeah, look, you see? You see? I get the other one. What do you need? 43 psi, right? It was on 30. It was on 30, so I'm gonna fill it up to 43. Okay, that's good. No, that's the only plus that I have. So I already plug it, but it's still another hole. It's too big. It might need to be patched from the inside. No, I can't do that. I think so. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure when they are bigger, instead of using plugs, they take the tire out, they clean it, and they put like a big patch in there. But that's something that you gotta go to like a tire place and ask for it, you know?
As long as I make it Tennessee with this. That rim doesn't look very good, does it?
Yeah, it's good. I have seen worse. Yes, 43, you got it. Yeah, trust me. I have seen worse, like very, very, very bad.
Well, I must have got some metal or something.
Yep, definitely. The other day I went to do a tire change. There was a screw like this big, half inch, like probably 6 inch long and half-inch thick.
You know, years ago, I had a flat, and it was, like you said, something this big. It was this long.
You know what? We pay all this tax money and the streets are destroying our cars.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Man, it's terrible.
It's horrible. Like all these holes, every single debris on the street.
Yep.
Like,
This
jeez.
is on the interstate. On 84. You know, and then I found something this long. It was curved
Yeah.
inside a tire.
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, I've seen those. So, where you from? You're from Maine, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Central Maine, just above Waterville, Augusta. I don't want it to come off.
No, I'm gonna torque it now. So I'm gonna torque it to 110.
Well, that is not too bad, but it's old.
Yeah.
You got good lights on that.
Oh yeah. We torque there. All right, you are nice and tight and secure. Okay, look at this. This goes in here. All right, so I already lift. Okay, perfect.
No, it's not flat on the bottom anymore.
Yeah, so I can put this tire over here. Let me
Yeah.
put your tools back where they belong.
Thank you.
Just remember that screw that holds this, it broke.
Yep, not a problem.
So I'm just gonna put this back in there, secure it with the plastic compartment. Okay. All right. Let me get the tire.
Did you get it up on the other side of that corner?
Where do you want it? Like all the way over?
Roll it through in the back here.
Yep. Let me get it over here first.
Space here.
I can put it in this side better. Let's see. It's fine.
Got 'em?
Yep.
That should be fine.
Yes. Okay. All right. Let me take another quick picture. All right.
Doesn't look too bad, does it?
This tire?
No, the vehicle.
Oh no, it looks good for being that year.
272,000 miles.
270?
Yep.
Wow. You have been taking good care of it.
Yes. I put every
Especially in Maine. It would be all rusty by now because all the salt.
I keep it washed. I put every single mile on it.
That's the key of having a good car.
Yes.
Because I see the bottom of this vehicle is good. It's very, very good. But what happened is people take the vehicle in the storms and stuff and they don't wash it. And you know what happened? The salt eats everything.
Especially the liquid salt.
Oh yeah, that liquid. This one is 2005. This one is not that bad, let me tell you. But yeah, I have seen vehicles. They are 2015, 7 years old, 8 year old. And on the bottom, you put the jack, it goes straight to the floor.
Yeah. Well, some of them didn't put any metal in them when they made them either.
Yeah, that too. Like nowadays, these new vehicles, that metal is garbage. Yeah. All right, man, so you all set. All right, let me put this in here. Oh, you need change?
No, that's for you.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Let me give you my business card. Dame dos. Oops. So this is my business card. I do roadside assistant in all Connecticut 24/7. Tire change, lockout survey if you leave your keys inside, if you need a jump start, or if you run out of gas, I do that too.
All right.
All right, man.
I appreciate it, and that's for you.
Thank you so much.
Card because I'm not sure that you ever
They
did.
probably would never give it to me.
That's exactly right.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Drive safe. If anything, call me, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna go to Walgreens and use the restroom.
All right, man. Have a good day, night. All right, so I got $20 tip. That's not bad at all. That brings me to $170 for this job. $150 for the job plus $20 tip, total of $170. And I took only like how long? 1 hour? How long is this video? 1 hour? 45 minutes, I bet. 30 minutes. This is how I make $170 in 30 minutes. Stay tuned for more. If you need tips on how to open a new business, how to make a roadside assistant business, comment below.